Hey everyone, it's Simple and Southern. I'm sorry it's taken me so long to get back with you for a video, but today I'm doing something a little different. I'm doing a taste for you guys. These are Mexico snacks, and I have a special guest.
Oh. Okay. Hi.
Okay, this is Malaysia again, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here's some Mexico snacks, and we're going to do a taste review for you. If you're interested, keep watching. All right, so
Okay.
let's start with, which one do you want to do first?
I want to do that one.
Okay, so you want to say the name?
Carlos V by Nestle. This one. Yeah, let's try.
Okay.
Or will you open it? I'll
Yeah.
open it. It's chocolate. It's just. How are we gonna just
You can
bite
take
it?
a bite and then I'll. It's a dark chocolate.
That's milk. That's milk chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
It tastes like
Mm.
Mexican. I don't like it. Mm-mm.
I like it.
I don't like it. I don't like that one.
I like it. It tastes like
Chocolate.
a Hershey bar. This is the name. Carlos B. You don't like it?
No.
I like it.
Okay, now you pick one.
And this was like, I think 83 cents. Anyways. Okay.
Next.
Next, I'll do this coconut candy. Only because I like coconut.
It looks like a Rice Krispie treat.
It's like the color of a Mexican flag. Mm.
Mm-mm.
You don't like coconut?
My goodness. You like it?
Mm. It tastes like,
Excuse me. It just tastes
I'm
like
trying to think
you
like
know, like
something
those
that,
coconut flakes, and they just stick them together. No offense if you're Mexican, like me. That's nasty.
I'm trying to think of something like American.
Almond Joy.
There's a certain kind of candy that's like this. Oh, it's an Almond Joy. It's an Almond Joy,
No, those coconut things, like.
but it don't have the
Halloween.
chocolate.
Oh yeah. Almond
Yeah,
Joy.
they don't have the chocolate.
are
That's
nasty,
what this
though.
tastes like.
Okay, and my turn.
Okay,
Pick. I kind of want to
Alright.
do
so
that one.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay, tell them what it is.
It's La Molenanita. It's milk candy. Gornalas. Nice. It's that. Okay. It's like in a candy wrapper thing. I guess you just twist it open. It's it's tape.
This is how it looks.
That
Looks
don't
like
look-
a sausage.
That don't look right. That don't look right. I don't know.
There's some.
This stinks. Oh no.
It's
Oh.
milk candy. It's called Glorias.
It just smells like caramel.
It contains milk and pecan.
I like pecans. Just milk?
Milk and pecan.
We should rate them 1 out of 10.
Okay, I would rate it.
I would rate it a 1.
I would rate it a 1. I don't like it. Okay.
Not
Now
too
I
bad.
want to try these. These are called the Real Mexican Japanese Peanut Paquiton.
But they're Mexican, not Japanese.
They
In
have a
Japan.
little like karate with a sword kind of
Looking
ninja.
figure.
I was gonna use my teeth, but it's not very
Look at
safe.
that, yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay. Okay. These are what
All
they,
right. Let's see how these.
these are what they look like. They're just little peanut things. They look like peanuts, but
Ooh.
I taste like dry,
good.
spicy peanuts. Well, I would give it a 5. What would you give it?
I would give it about a 6.
They're okay, but I wouldn't get them like just to get them.
I would.
I would get them if they had it like out at a birthday party or something. But I wouldn't get it if I just went to the grocery store.
I would because they weren't very expensive. They're kind of spicy, but not too spicy, which makes it kind of good.
They're okay.
All right.
I
So
want
that one was the best so far?
Yeah.
Okay.
At the end, we're gonna say which one we like the best.
I want to try. Oh, your turn.
Oh yeah. I want to try this one.
Show
This
me what
one
it
is Lux, right?
Show me. Yeah, show me.
It's new and it's chocolate cream filled cakes. They look good.
They look like
Like a zebra cake, but with chocolate.
a Swiss roll.
Yeah. Yeah. those. Oh, there's like, it's 2 in a pack. It looks like this in the packaging.
Like this.
It looks like 2.
Okay. You take one, I'll take one.
It's like, everything's chocolate. We haven't gotten anything spicy.
Just the peanuts.
Yeah. It's like a little chocolate bar. Really good. Well, it tastes coconut brownie kind of thing. Not coconut. It tastes like the Swiss roll.
It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Like a chocolate
like
brownie.
marshmallowy. It's pretty good. I would rate that a 5.
I rate this as a 7. This is my favorite one so far.
My peanuts are still the favorite one. Okay, so I want to do the crazy mangoes next.
And we got all of these from HEB, right?
All of them are from HEB. Some of the drinks are from the Dollar General, but everything else is from HEB.
And we got 2 drinks.
Yeah, so one drink is from the Dollar General. So this is what they look like. A little squishy.
Oh! Oh!
They're kind of sweet and sour. I don't know if y'all like that mixed.
Oh, wait.
Not bad. Sweet and sour, right?
I like
Wait,
that.
sweet and spicy. And sour.
These are good.
Mm-hmm.
It's like sweet, sour, spicy, all mixed in one.
Mm-hmm.
It would be better if it was hard and it was like a lollipop, though.
Yeah. I would rate this a 7.
Ah, my tongue's already. I would rate this
I
one.
would rate this a 7, but the peanuts still are my favorite.
I would make this a 7, and this is my favorite now.
Okay. Your turn to pick.
Okay. What do we have still?
We have all of these.
I want to do the the lollipop looking thing. This is what it looks like, and these used to be on the ice cream trucks, I think. These used to have, and I don't know what it's called. What is it called?
It's right here.
Ricolino.
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 It's a marshmallow with chocolate flavored coating.
And it's like, it's supposed to look like this. Supposed to. Now let's see what it looks like. It looks like it would be a lollipop.
She's eaten these before.
Yes, I like them. But they're okay. Like I said, supposed to look like. Supposed to.
It's a little cross-eyed.
Yeah, a little squished together. It's
Yeah.
okay. Okay. These, I like the mango ones better. The crazy mango.
Mm.
It's just like a chocolate covered marshmallow, but Mexican chocolate, not like our chocolate. Oh my God. That's still in my mouth.
I would rate this like a 4.
I would rate that like a 5.
She likes it a lot. Okay. But the mangoes are still your favorite?
Yeah. And the peanuts are so weird.
Yeah. You want something to drink for right now, or
Yeah.
you're still good?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are our 2 drinks.
I'll get one of them.
One brand is Jumex Mango Nectar.
And this one's Kern Strawberry and Banana Nectar.
Okay, so the Jumex I got for 50 cents, and this one was like 44 cents.
Yeah.
So, let's try 'em.
And we're each going to try each one. Just started with this.
Oh, this one neither. Not good. Here, you try this one. That one's not good.
This one's not good. Oh, no.
This one's better than that one.
But this one's not. I give neither of them. I give it a 0.
I give them a 1. This one a 1, that one a 0.
Yeah, this one's a 0.
This has no flavor.
I like mango flavoring, but I don't like mango like just the fruit.
This has more, you can taste the banana, but
can't
it's
taste
still
the
like
strawberry.
a 1.
I don't like these.
Okay.
No, 0.
Alright, so
We have these left. Wait, yeah. All of these.
yeah.
So the first one, I want to pick, I'm going to do these. So we got 2 of these, and they were like $4 for $1, right?
Yeah.
These.
They're called Kama King mangoes.
And they're like a mango lollipop, I think.
They're jelly fire, so I don't know if I'm really
It's-
going to eat a lot of it. We'll see.
Right? How do we open this?
Hold on. Don't try that at home.
Oh, I got it. It looks like a lollipop. No, it's squishy. Never mind. Oh. They look like this, guys.
Weird.
This
It's like a
looks-
peanut.
Yeah. Okay. Mm-mm. I don't like it. It tastes like a peanut.
And they
the
have no
ins-
flavor, but I guess you have to.
Mm-mm. I can't do these. They have to be a lollipop.
They are. Yep.
It's like, it's a hard lollipop. I like some lollipops. This is not.
You got to give it some time.
I give these a 4.
You could just taste the chamoy until I guess you.
I'm gonna buy it.
I guess we could bite it. It's soft. It tastes like,
It's too sweet.
I don't know what it tastes like.
It don't taste like mango, but it just tastes like something sweet.
I would rate this a 1.
4. I like the chamoy part. I like chamoy a lot. Now it's your turn.
Okay. I want to try the Bimbo Mini Montesadas
And we're not
Mini
gonna like.
Muffins. with pecans.
We're not gonna pronounce these right.
This is how they look. There's 4 in a pack.
Looks like muffins. They look like banana nut muffins.
Yeah. They have pecan.
They look like this. Well, they taste like banana nut muffins.
They're not bad.
They're not horrible, but I wouldn't eat them.
Not horrible.
I would get this like a 5. I haven't got one that I like 100% yet. I hope I do.
I would give this like a 5. And I would rebuy these
You would?
with like coffee or something. Okay.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
We have left, and I want to try the Boobaloo. Boobaloo. This is called. It's by Riccolino, the same as the volley face looking thing, and it's called Boobaloo. And Mommy, you wanna open this?
Okay. It has strawberry inside. It's filled with looks like
Strawberry
marshmallow
and
and chocolate.
marshmallow. Did I remember the packaging?
Okay.
There's 2 little sticks. And they're like this. I'm not gonna bite it off. I'm gonna just break it. Oh, I like this. It's like that's what it looks like. I don't like the strawberry filling. I don't like that one. That's a no-go for me.
It's okay. It's not too bad.
A 3. I don't like filling, like strawberry filling in cakes.
Maybe like a 4.
I don't like them in cakes. I don't like filling at all. So,
I wouldn't buy it again.
I'll take your turn. And we have, how many snacks do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 snacks left.
This is like a little cake.
And it looks like the other Mexican.
It looks like a stone, like where you scrub your feet. Okay, it says, it didn't even say what it's made out of. Let's see, coconut. It's probably like that other bar. It just tastes like coconut. Let's see.
I'm probably not gonna like it, but I guess I'll try it. It looks like it would be like hard. Like it looks like really hard. Open it from the side though.
No, I got it. There we go.
It's like pink at the top. It's like layers. I hope it's hot. I want it to be hot.
Oh, it feels like just sugar, like compressed. Like just sugar, like biting into sugar cube. Ugh. Good grief. You get diabetes. Taste it.
Oh my god, it's
Ugh.
like kinetic sand, and like you bite it. Like
It's
that.
nasty.
It's like a sugar cube. So if you like sugar cubes and you just like eating them.
Here, dust your hands off of there.
If you just like sugar cubes, this is for you. But
Yeah.
I give that a 0.
I wouldn't give that a 0. I would give it negative.
Negative. I would get a negative
Your turn.
70. Okay. My turn to pick. I want to pick. No, I want to pick the spaghetti.
Okay, she wants this.
That's called Lucas Spaghetti. And
Salsa spaghetti.
Salsa spaghetti. Salsa spaghetti. Salsa.
It says sandia. It's a watermelon flavor.
Ooh. Can you help me open it? It's like this, guys. And it's like chamoy. Mom, wait. This.
Wait, what?
There's sauce.
Oh,
Wait, I want to try just the string first, though.
the string's not bad. Is this the chamoy?
These are really good.
They're good.
The string beer was my favorite. Until I add the. What is this?
Let's see what it is.
It's Lucas Gascogino. Look at that color.
It's like mustard or something.
It don't smell. It smells like Play-Doh.
And you just, I don't know, it's like a
Legit?
sauce. And you dip it in there. It don't make it taste different.
Yes, it does. I get a lot on mine.
Is it spicy?
I think, you know that thing, like you squeeze it? I
Mhm.
think that's what it's supposed to be, but liquid.
Yeah.
Like these little squirty things. I like this one.
I would
I
rate
get this
it
one
a
at
6.
8 out of 10.
But I'd still like the peanuts.
This one's my favorite one.
Yeah. Well, for you.
Yeah.
Not for me. Okay, I want to try these milk candy wafers. They come in a big pack.
And I asked her to get these
10?
at first, and she didn't think like that we're gonna like them, so we didn't get it. But then she got it. So
I went back and got them.
yeah, they're like little packages. It's long. So if we like these, we have a lot.
I guess we should have got some scissors. Okay, there's one for you.
And they're like in these little packaging. It's like that. I hope it's Lucas in inside. Or Chamoy or something. I hope the outside is not sugar. Oh, it feels like that bread thing that you get like at church. That's what it feels like, right? Right? Mom, that's
See how
exactly
thin
what
it is.
that's what it tastes like. Look, feel it. That's exactly what it tastes like.
You're not lying.
That's what it tastes like that bread
It's just
thing.
bigger.
Do you like it?
I don't like it, but I would rate it like,
I would eat the
One.
outside like the bread.
I don't have any flavor.
I would eat the outside. It's like that
I don't have
bread
any flavor.
thing.
What do you think?
I like the outside. Okay, the outside I give it 10, and then the inside I give it a negative 40. So. I don't. But the whole thing together, I give it a 1. It's okay. My turn.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try these. This is called the Minitinda. What is it?
Manzanitas.
And
Corn
it's
chili.
dried apple with chili powder. That's what it looks like, and they're like dried apples. So. Okay. A lot of trash.
You got a big one. I got a small one.
You can't bite it.
I bet mine.
I like the outside, not the inside.
Ooh. I don't like it. I don't like anything sour, really.
I like the outside. You eat pickles.
And it does taste like a dried apple.
Like if you bite
dry.
into it, you're too dry.
Oh,
I like the outside, but I give that a 3.
I give that a 1. Let's see, we have another sucker. Marimbas cherry flavored lollipop candy.
Hope it's a lollipop.
It has chamoy on the outside, which usually everything does.
Yeah, everything
Mexico.
Mexican. Smells like chamoy. Oh my gosh, what is this? Look, it's like shiny. It's like, okay.
Looks like a drumstick. A wing, hot wing.
It's dry.
Ooh. I don't taste cherry yet.
Me either. Oh,
Mmm.
taste the shiny part.
I don't think I want to.
It's hot.
keep trying to taste the cherry. Ooh,
Like, ow. It's like
tastes like eating dirt.
there's a lollipop in the inside, but it's like chamoy. And they just got a lollipop, a good cherry lollipop, and got some chamoy and just stacked
I
it.
don't like you.
Put it on there. And they said, here's some candy.
I don't like it. I'll rate it a 0. You want to take a bite out of it?
No.
I don't want to try
It's
it.
like too much chamoy on the outside. Like they could have just
Ooh,
they just smacked it on. I give this like a 4. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's okay.
oh, it's sour in the middle.
We have 2 more left.
Choriza Cherry Lucas.
You want to save the best?
This like you can put, I guess, on any kind of drink or.
And I've tried that. Like I've tried a different flavor, but it's that. And be careful when you open that because you have to like pull it apart. I've tried the chamoy one, but this, what flavor is it?
Cherry?
It's cherry.
It's a.
Little sucker with powder.
Here you go. It's okay. I don't like it. You like it?
I'll try what I just licked.
Now I can taste the cherry.
Like if you put the powder on it, it's like more spicier. But if you just do it like just that, I would eat that. I would go back and get that. There's also a mango flavor and a chamoy flavor, if you guys are interested.
So this is the Mintienda Gomitas watermelon bites with chili powder.
And you can see like the watermelon and then the chili powder that's on it. And this is our last snack, and we think this will be good, so I guess we saved
Yeah,
it
because
for
we like
last.
watermelon.
I love watermelon. I love watermelon. Ooh, sticky. Here. Ooh. Looks like that. It's like a little watermelon cube. Bit into it. I like
Not
this.
bad.
They're my favorite. Whole thing. 10 out of 10.
I think me too. I think we found one.
I would definitely buy this again.
This is it. Mintienda Gomitas watermelon bites with chili powder.
Oh!
They're good. I give this 8. So, anyways,
This is my favorite.
this is it.
But it's really tough to buy it, so.
All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed our video
If you
of
want
the
us to try,
Mexican treats.
if you want us to try like Japanese or like any other kind of snacks, we could order off of Amazon.
Yeah. And I'm sorry that I haven't been on here lately. I've just been extremely busy with work
And me.
and Malaysia's school. She started school back up. And I wanted to thank all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I will be posting new videos to come. I recently bought a house and maybe I can do a new house tour or something like that, but we will see. And I hope everyone has an awesome week and everyone be safe. Bye.